Good afternoon, folks. Good afternoon. We're going to do the Rolling Stones. You can't always get what you want. I saw her today at the reception, glass of wine in her hand. I knew she was gonna meet her connection. At her feet was a footloose man. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. But if you try sometimes, well, you might find you get what you need. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I went down to the Chelsea drugstore to get your prescription filled. I was standing in line with Mr. Jimmy and a man, and he looked pretty ill. I said, you can't always get what you want. Oh, you can't always get what you want. Yeah, you can't always get what you want. No, but if you try sometime, you might find you get what you need. Oh yeah, woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Get what you need. Oh yeah. Yeah. I saw